Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2023 Nissan Pathfinder Platinum all-wheel drive. This is the highest trim level of the Nissan Pathfinder. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 284 horsepower, 259 pound-feet of torque, made it to a 9-speed automatic transmission. The Pathfinder is a very popular three-row SUV. You know, great practicality, it looks pretty good, and it's been a popular SUV for many years. I like the new Nissan logo, how it has the white contrast in the lettering and also in the little logo. You have a digital gauge cluster, 360-degree camera system as well, heated and ventilated front seats. You have the drive mode selector down here, which you can choose. You have a lot of different modes. Center console, I like how it says Pathfinder right there as well. This is like a brown interior, chestnut brown, looks pretty nice, and I like the black contrast on the seats as well. It's a nice car, and you also have shift paddles and pretty simple infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. But let's walk around this Pathfinder, see what it looks like on the outside. It's a black one. I like the wheels, looks pretty good. Daytime running lights are up there. And I like the back of the car too. It's a good looking SUV. And I like the roof rails on it. And let's see what the rear seats are like in this car. Pretty good leg room. I'm 6'1", I can fit back here pretty comfortably. With captain's chairs, it's always a nice thing. You also have 2 cup holders and some center console storage for your rear passengers. Heated rear seats, which is very nice to see. You have wall outlet charger, which is pretty uncommon too, and you have a panoramic sunroof, 3rd rows right there. Yeah, a lot of practicality, and you even have cup holders in the doors. I mean, that's nice. Let's see what the trunk looks like in this Pathfinder. Pretty nice trunk right here. This is with the 3rd row up, obviously, and this one also has like the Nissan mat, the rear cargo mat or whatever. But this is a good color combination. I really like this black on brown. It looks good. Brown interiors are very popular. You can't really go wrong with a black on brown or white on brown interior. And this is like the shifter you'll find in a lot of Nissan products and also some Infiniti cars too. But yeah, let's get this out on the road and see how it drives. Blind spot alert. You also have the Bose sound system in this car. So obviously the Infiniti QX60 is a luxury version of the Pathfinder, so it's real similar in here. But you can get a Pathfinder Platinum for a lot less than a QX60, which is a QX60 Sensory or Autograph. So the Pathfinder offers a great value. Engine actually sounds quite nice. It sounds good. It's a naturally aspirated 3.5 liter V6. You can't really go wrong with the 3.5 V6 naturally aspirated. They always sound good, and they're nice engines, pretty reliable too. And I love how this one doesn't have a CVT. The CVT was a big problem in a lot of Nissan cars over the years. You know, just dulls the driving experience massively, and also the reliability is not good either. But this 9-speed is definitely way better. In terms of the way it drives and in terms of reliability and everything like that as well. Let me put it in sport mode, see what that's like. A lot of drive modes. Yeah, I really want to test out the new Armada. I have a bunch of videos on the QX80, the 25, but the Armada, I really want to see that. I love the way it looks. The Armada Pro 4X is awesome. Actually, you know, we all know what's going on with like the news about Nissan and everything like that, but I really like the newer cars that Nissan's been making. And that pickup is pretty good for a family SUV. It has nice pickup. It's smooth. It's nice to drive. I don't have any complaints on that. I like the leather steering wheel. It's got like a flat bottom look to it, which is interesting. You have that's the lane keep assist kicking in right now, trying to keep me in my lane, even though I was just like a little bit on the line. Oh, you even have a head-up display. Yeah, this Pathfinder Platinum offers a lot of great features. Now you could get this over a QX60 Lux or something like that, and you get a lot more features, and it's cheaper too. And Pathfinders are very popular in the used market. Like one of the examples like this one, they sell very quickly. Because yeah, 3-row SUVs are always popular. Families, people always are looking for family cars to haul their kids around, in and stuff. And if it's a good-looking SUV with good features and drives pretty nice, it'll always be a popular prospect for buyers, right? Let's hit the brakes here real quick, smooth, and let's take a quick U-turn. This is foot to the floor now. Yeah, not bad. And as I was saying, the engine sounds good. Like, this is a nice driving experience, and I am very impressed with this brown interior. It looks really nice. This interior feels very premium, right? Like, it literally feels like an Infiniti in here. Like, if you put an Infiniti badge on the steering wheel, you wouldn't really think twice. You'd be like, oh yeah, a nice Infiniti, right? Nissan has definitely improved their interior game over the years, for sure. It's a nice car. I really like it. Like, I made a video on a Nissan Rogue. Not sure if it's gonna be uploaded at the same time as this one, before this one is, but I was impressed with the Rogue Platinum. Basically very similar interior. That one has a CVT, but forget the transmission and everything. Just the interior was really nice. These Nissan Platinum products are great. The Armada, the previous generation, or the outgoing generation, has a much different interior. It has like the really older interior, like the previous gen QX80. But this 2025 Armada shares like it has like the digital gauge cluster, all the new design cues. You also have like this drive mode selector with like 8 modes on it too. So it's pretty nice. But let's pull into the parking lot and wrap up this video. Yeah, you can see the 360 camera coming into view there. Overall, this is a nice Nissan Pathfinder. I enjoyed the drive. I like this interior and the features it offers, and it has a lot of practicality. But thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice vehicles like this Pathfinder.